If you want to connect printer to your POCO X8 Pro or POCO X8 Pro Max, first of all we need to open settings. Once you go to settings, you should proceed to more connectivity options, and then in here we are looking for the printing option. The first thing that you can do is you can choose either system printing service or Xiaomi Home. So if your printer is made by Xiaomi, then of course you want to probably choose Xiaomi Home. On the other hand, in the case of any other printer, you probably want to start by going to the system printing service and make sure that the print service is enabled, and then you can try to find your printer in here on this list. If you can, then you can just select it and you should be able to connect to it. But on the other hand, what you might need to do is you might need to go to Add Service in here. This will redirect you to the Google Play Store, where we have a couple of different plugins or additional services provided by different manufacturers of printers. So you want to download the plugin for your printer in here, and then you can try to use that plugin or service to try to find your printer on your phone. And in some other cases, printers require you to download very specific apps, and unfortunately in this case I cannot really tell you which app you have to download for your printer, and you will have to check out the manual of your printer in order to try to find the information about pairing the printer with an Android smartphone. And most of the time you can just simply go to the Play Store and you can get the app for your printer for free, but you have to find out which one you need to get. For me it's hard to tell, because in that case every printer that requires a specific individual app, well, they require different apps, so it's hard to tell for every printer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.